Hey guys, check it out. Today I've got an Ortholinear keyboard. Fresh in from Jack at Ortholinear Keyboards. Jack has sent me just the PCB and base. I've gone with a metal base. I'll show you all that in a second. But Ortholinear Keyboards is basically the place to get custom boards. I mean, they've got this amazing ortholinear system. This is a Planck here. The keys are all lined up, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you. Trusty knife. Remember, get your parents' help. Now, like I say, Jack is pretty much the standard bearer when it comes to keyboard. Here, I'm just going to slide that back down. Alright, I've just basically unrolled it. That's the base plate you can see up first here. You know, great packaging here. Just going to put that up to them. I'm going to move all this down so you can see it. I'll just put it up to the top there. Look, this is bubbled in there, which is great. This board, look, it's like he's already assembled it for me. I mean, he's basically, I think, told me which way it goes up. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'll have to look that up still. And this, but look at how well it's packaged here. Everything's come out perfectly. This is really a great example. Well done, mate. Okay, well, I'm going to get this underway. I've got my switches here, a bunch of gray switches with some Gaterons mixed in, but I think I'm just going to go all grays here. I'm going to start to line this all up, and yeah, check back soon. Okay guys, check it out. So these are my Cherry MX grays, and there is a top, such thing as a top and a bottom, and so I've gone through and figured out exactly which way to do it. Okay, so let's see if we can get this right up close to the camera here. Okay, there's the bit where the LED goes in. You see that bit where the LED goes in? It's right here. So what we're going to do is line that up so that that is at the bottom of these. So when I drop it in the hole here, that will be at the bottom of the board. This is the bottom of the board because that's where my MIT switch is going. And that, you'll see, is going to line up, well, basically like that. So I had a look at the PCB here. So you're looking at the top side of it. Obviously you're going to solder the bit where all the metal's exposed. And as you can see, underneath the switch is where the LEDs go. So that's why we're doing it like this. Alright, there you have the underside of the board. There's the top side of the board. Sweet, I'm ready to start soldering. Hey guys, bad news. I done it wrong. So, what I should have done is put the stabs on first, the stabilizers, because the stabilizers are actually plate mounted stabs rather than, there's only one stabilizer actually, but it's a plate mounted stabilizer, which means I should have mounted it to the plate as my very first step. And instead what I've done is I've already pressed down my PCB to make sure it fits now that all of the keys are in place, which I totally shouldn't have done either if I'd actually bothered to watch Jack's step-by-step before I'd got this underway, which I didn't, because I don't know why. I don't really have a good excuse for that, but let's get this underway and see how badly I've mucked it up. Alright, time to do some soldering. It's working like a keyboard, so I've had to open the door just because I was breathing in a lot of stuff, but it's working like a keyboard, so I'm going to put the rest of the case together and finish her up. I keep saying I'm going to get a better quality set of screwdrivers, and then I never seem to quite do it. So I'm just using these Rolston precision screwdrivers, but I will, at some point, buy a nice set. Well, that's it there. You can see that's the bottom with the hole so I can reset. And that's the top. Super cool. Well, I have one tiny little screw left over, so I'll chuck that in a junk drawer. Okay, well, I'm going to go get some caps and start putting those on. So I've got some keys here from my crap bag, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them on. These are DSA all in white. For those of you who have Signature's plastic crap bags, you'll know they're great for just lots of random keycaps, and in some cases they're perfect for your Planck. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. See you guys in a minute. And there you have it. One Planck fully assembled. Matches pretty well with my 1UP Keyboards DIY cable kit, but I think I'm going to make another one just to go with this. I got some blue. Actually, I might do a gray. Might do a gray, maybe a white. Maybe a gray with blue would be cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks again to Jack. This is an awesome keyboard, dude. I just absolutely love it. Of course, you'll probably see this upcoming as we model some sleeves specifically for the Planck. It's absolutely stunning. I think you've done a great job, Jack. And, well, you at home, if you've enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comment section below. If you've disliked the video, of course, give me a dislike. Subscribe. The channel's free. I do lots of cool keyboard stuff and other random Raspberry Pi stuff and nerdy stuff. Nerdy or geeky, that's another question for another day, but really enjoyed this project. If you have any questions about Plancks or ortholinear keyboards or anything to do with that stuff, of course you can ask in the comment section below. Come join us on Our Mechanical Keyboards and check out Jack's. He's doing a podcast at the moment. It's really interesting and some pretty cool stuff. I hope you guys are lucky enough to have one of these yourself soon. And yeah, thanks again.